Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the kind of RPM meter you bought and why it matters. Digital taps the ignition pulse, analog reads coil signal. Once done, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and expose the coil or ECU harness. You mount the gauge bracket where you can read it, keeping 1/2 inch to 1 inch from exhaust heat. Then route the power and ground leads toward the battery and plan a tidy path for the signal wire to the ignition source. You now make the critical electrical connections. Tap the coil negative or the ECU tack output as the signal. This is how the meter reads RPM pulses. At the same time, connect the meter to fused 12V ignition switched power so the gauge powers only with the key, and attach a solid chassis ground. Make joints robust, solder or quality crimp connectors with heat shrink to prevent intermittent readings. Once done, tuck wiring away from. You finish by calibrating and testing. Start the bike and compare the new meter to a known reference, adjusting scaling or divider settings until readings match. Make sure idle and rev responses are smooth. If you see erratic jumps, check for poor ground or a loose signal wire which introduces electrical noise. If the display shows nothing, verify the fuse, confirm 12V ignition power, and probe for signal continuity at the coil or ECU. These steps solve most installation failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.